Very good morning to you people. Till now we discussed about physics in 24 hours episode 3. Today we go for episode 4. This is episode 4. In this episode 4 we are discussing about first one is force, second one is momentum, third one is energy. These three things we discuss it today. First one is force, second one is momentum, third one is energy. Let's see one by one, guys. Let's see the first one, force. The first one is force. What is meant by force? Force is nothing but pull or push operation operations performed on object is called force. This is a general statement. The general statement for force is pull or push operation performed on object is called a force. We have to implement this concept for the physics. Let's see. Suppose I am taking an object. Let us take an object, a block, 2 kg block I am taking. I pull it by my hands. This is the push I am performing. This is called push. Keep in mind, guys, many people, many students, we are worrying about which is push, which is pull. Push means towards. Pull means away. This is called as push and pull operations. When push or pull, what will happen? Suppose let's say push. Push case, what will happen? The push case, what will happen to the block? Let us say this is the 2 kg block. I am applying a push operation. This is the push I am operating. I am operating the push. Then what will happen now? Let us say this is the position of an object. This is the position of an object. From this position to the object goes to here. Object goes to here. Let's say position B is. This is the position B. What will happen? 2 kg block. 2 kg block move from position A to B with an acceleration A. That is the meaning of it. What is the meaning of it? When you have to perform push operation on a 2 kg block, what will happen? The block will move from position A to position B by accelerating of body. Now how we define this force now? Let's say force is equal to MA. Force is equal to MA. This is the basic formula. Force F is equal to MA. This is the basic formula. Same thing, push operation also. Let us say this is case 1. Next, case 2. Case 2, now we are applying a pull operation. Now I am performing pull operation. What will happen now? Once again I am taking a 2 kg block. Now I am applying the pull operation. I am applying pull. Now what will happen? Object will move. I am taking a 2 kg block. I am applying pull now. When applying the pull, what will happen once again? This is also will shifted from A position to B position with an acceleration is backward. 2 kg block once again. 2 kg block. Once again, what is the force? Force is equal to MA. Force is equal to MA. That is the meaning of it. Let's see what is the dimension formula for force. Let's see dimension formula for force. What is the dimension formula for force? Dimension formula for force. Dimensional formula. So what is the dimension formula for force? So we know generally what is the dimension formula? Mass, length, time. Simple. Mass, length, time. So let's see guys here. F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma, which means what? kg hyphen meter per second square. So observe this guys. How many kgs is available? Only 1 kg is available. So we put 1. So how many lengths are available? Only one length is available. Put 1. So how many t's are available? 2 t's are available, but which is in denominator. So what you have to put? -2 you have to put. So m power 1, l power 1, t power -2. So what are the units of this? So C is S unit. C is S unit. What is the C is S unit? Die. So die is the C is S unit. In simple form, dy and die. And what is the MKS or SI unit? MKS or SI unit? Newton. So Newton. What is the symbol for this? Capital N. Newton. Newton is the capital N. So what is the relation between die and Newton? 1 in Newton is equal to. So let's see guys here. 1 Newton means what? So 1 Newton means 1 kg 1 meter by second square. So kg meter per second square. So this is the Newton. So kg means how many grams? 1000 grams. 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters. So gram hyphen centimeter by how many seconds? Seconds only seconds. In series and MKS both are same only. So in series also second, MKS also second. So there is no transformation from second to anything. So how many zeros here? 3 zeros, 2 zeros. So 10 power 5. So 10 power 5 gram hyphen centimeter by second square. What is the meaning of it? That is the dyne. So 10 power 5 dynes. So 10 power 5 dynes. So 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes guys? 10 power 5 dynes. So we go with the reverse man. We go with the reverse. Let's see the reverse process. So let's see the reverse process. So 1 dyne is equal to, I want 1 dyne. So 1 Newton is equal to 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dynes. 10 power 5 dynes. I want 1 dyne. So I have to make this one. So 1 dyne into 10 power 5 is equal to 1 Newton. I hope you understood. So I want how much? 1 dyne I want. So 1 dyne is equal to 1 by 10 power 5 newtons. So everybody is struggling in this area. Everybody is struggling. So 1 dyne is equal to, what is the conversion now? 10 power minus 5 newtons. So this is the conversion from dyne to newtons and newtons to dyne. I hope you people are understood. So that is the first concept is finished. That is the force is finished. Let's see the second concept, momentum. So what is the momentum? So let's see momentum. So momentum symbol is P, small p. The symbol for momentum is small p. How we define that momentum? So momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity is called as momentum. So what I said guys, momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity is called momentum. So P is equal to mv. So mass means m, v means velocity. So this is the formula for momentum. The formula for momentum. So I hope you people are understood. I want change in momentum. Change in momentum. Change in momentum. So change in momentum. So what is change in momentum? Let's see a block of mass m and we have a velocity u. So when you have a block of mass m, velocity u, we are applying a force of F. What will happen when you are applying the force of F? There is a motion will happen to that object. Actually, which is in rest. Now it is moved to another location, same m mass with velocity v. So now let's see where is here. So let us say A. Let us say this is B. Now I want what? Change in momentum I want. So what is the momentum at A? First we have to calculate. So momentum at A. So momentum at A. What is the formula? P is equal to ME. Let us say P1. So PA. Here is A. PA. So M into U. M into U. So product of mass and velocity M into U. And what is the momentum at B? Momentum at B is equal to how much? PV. M into V. M into V. So I want change in momentum. Delta PAB. I want delta PAB. I want. So higher minus lower. So PB minus PA. So what is PB minus PA? So PB means MB minus MU. So what is the common here? M is the common. V minus U. V minus U. So change in momentum what you get? M is equal to delta PAB is equal to M into V minus U. So that is the change in momentum. So let's say an example so that you people are understood. So how to calculate momentum? Before that, you have to enter into what are the units of this. I want to go through the units of this. So let's say units of momentum, units of P. So units of P. So CGS unit. So what I told guys, P is equal to ME. CGS means gram. V means velocity, centimeter per second. Keep in mind. Otherwise, how to write? How to write? Gram hyphen centimeter S power minus your wish. Either we have to do. So MKS or SI. So kg hyphen meter per second or kg hyphen meter second inverse. So CGS is equal to gram hyphen centimeter per second or gram hyphen centimeter per second inverse. So MKS or SI is equal to kg hyphen meter per second or kg hyphen meter per second inverse. Let's see the dimension formula now. Dimension formula. So dimension formula. So what is the dimension formula guys here? So once again, I told now, simple dimension formula, everybody is struggling, don't worry to struggle with people. So simple way we have to learn the dimension formula. So how many M's here? 1 M is there. How many meters is there? 1 meter is there. How many T's is there? 1 T is there. But which is there in denominator? What do you have to put? Minus 1 you have to put. That's it. So that is the dimension formula. What is the nature of the quantity? So nature of physical quantity. Nature of physical quantity. So what is the nature of physical quantity? So nature of physical quantity is nothing but vector or scalar. It is a vector. How? It is a vector. How? Already I told. What is momentum? P is equal to ME. Leave it ME. ME mass is a scalar, no doubt. But V is a scalar, vector. Na? So scalar into vector always gives what? Vector only. So that is why the momentum become what? Vector. So this is the way we have to go through these concepts. So let us see one problem so that you people are understood. What is the real momentum? So let's see one problem. So problem example 1. So example 1. So let's see this diagram only. Let us see based upon diagram only. So 2 kg block will having a velocity of 2 meter per second and finally reached to this location. 2 kg block having a velocity of 5 meter per second. So then what is delta P? So delta P is the question mark. So how to handle this one? Just now I told this is A position, this is B position. Assume. So let's see, better to understand I draw once again the diagram, otherwise both problem and answer is same. So I draw it once again. This is 2 kg block. So this is 2 kg block. Velocity is 2 meter per second and velocity is 5 meter per second. Assume this is A position, this is B position. So I want momentum at PV. So PV is equal to 5 into 2. How much I get? 10 kg hyphen meter per second. PA is equal to how much can I get? 2 into 2 is equal to 4 kg meter per second. So I want delta, let us say delta PAV. I want. So what is the formula? PV minus PA. What is the PB value? So 10 kg meter per second. What is the PA value? 4 kg. So what you get? 6 kg hyphen meter per second. So this is the answer for this. I hope you people are understood. I hope you understood 6 kg meter per second. So this is the answer for this. So let's see one of the magic in this momentum. So we want to find out the relationship between momentum and the force. That is very very important. So let's see that one. So what I told just now, what I told. So delta P. So delta P is equal to. So delta P is equal to what I told here. So m into V minus U. Say equation 1. Now I have to divide. Now divide with delta T on both sides. Delta T on both sides. So let's see guys here now what will happen. Delta P by delta T is equal to m into V minus U by delta T. So let's see my T1 is 0. My initial time is 0 seconds. Let us assume. Now what will happen this one? So delta P by T is equal to m into V minus U by T. So delta P by T by is equal to m into V minus U by T. So delta P by T is equal to what is m into V minus U by T? Tell me guys, tell me what is the answer for this? V minus U by T, that is A. So MA is equal to what? Just now we learned. MA is equal to F is equal to MA. So F is equal to MA. We learned. Just now we learned. So in the place of dP by dt, what can I write? F. So F is equal to delta P by T, which is equal to MA. So this is very very important here. So there is a relationship between force and momentum. What is the relation between force and momentum? F is equal to delta P by T. So that is very very interesting. I hope you people are understood. So now we are talking about energy. So what is meant by energy? So now we are talking about energy. So energy means what? So before that one we want to learn work done. So before that momentum is over, we want to go to the work done. Better to understand the people I hope. So work done. So work done. So what is the meaning of work done? So work done is nothing but, let us say once again, a block I am taking mkg block. So I am applying the force of F. F force I am applying. So what will happen guys here? So this object move from this position to this position. So yes, displacement is takes place between initial point to final point. So now what is the work done? So work done is nothing but is defined as the product of force and displacement. The product of force and displacement. Force and displacement is called work done. Is called work done. So this is the work done. So what I said guys, W is equal to what is the work done? I said the product of force F and displacement S. Okay, we are confused. You people learn thought over better. So F into S. So just now what you learn F means MAS. So MAS. So W is equal to MAS. So what is the formula for work done? W is equal to MAS. Now I want the units of this. Units of work done. Work done W is equal to what are the units of work done? So Newton hyphen second. So what is the Newton hyphen second is called joule. Is called joule. So joule is MKS or SI unit. MKS or SI unit. And what is the CGS unit? So CGS unit is 1 erg. 1 erg. 1 erg. So erg is the CGS unit. So once again I want to find out the relationship between joule and erg. Let's see that. What is the relation between erg and joule? So 1 joule is equal to what I call Newton second. So what is meant by Newton? What is meant by Newton? Kg. What is meant by Newton? Kg meter per second into S. I hope you understood it. So S into S. So this S and this S cancel. So what is kg? So what is kg? Kg how many grams? Kilograms. So how many kilograms? So S means not second, na? What is this? Meter here. Second, not S. S means not second. S means meter, na? What is this? So 1 joule is equal to Newton meter. So Newton means what? So kg meter by second into meters. So kg meter square by second. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. That is 10 power 3. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 10 square. So 10 square whole square. 10 square whole square centimeter square by second square. So what do you get? 10 power 3 into 10 power 4. 10 power 3 into 10 power 4. So 10 power 3 into 10 power 4. 10 power 4 gram centimeter square per second square. So what do you get? 10 power 7 into. So 10 power 3 into 10 power 4. A power m into a power n. A power m plus n. So what do you get? 10 power 7 gram centimeter square second square you get. So 10 power 7 x. This is called what? 10 power 7 x. So what is ultimately, what is the relationship between joule and erg guys? So 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 x and 1 erg is equal to 10 power minus 7 joules. So this is very important relations, very useful relations by doing the calculations. So I hope you people are understood what is meant to work done. So work done. So now we want to learn about dimension formula once again. Dimension formula. What is the dimension formula? So dimension formula for work done. Dimensional formula for work done. Dimensional formula for work done. For work done. So what is the dimension formula guys? So dimension formula is that. So once again MLT. So write down the units of this. Newton meter. Newton meter means what guys? Kg hyphen meter by second into meter. So how much you get here? Kg hyphen meter square by second. So how many kgs? 1 kg is there. How many else is there? So kg per second square. So how many k's is there? Why? Because acceleration. Acceleration is meter per second square. Na? So meter per second square. So meter per second square means acceleration. So m power 1 m square l square. So how many l's here? So 2 l's here. How many s? 2. But which is there in denominator. So what do you have to put? Minus 200. So that is the way we have to learn the dimension formula. So this is very very important. So I hope you people are understood work done. So work done means is defined as the product of force and displacement is called work done. I hope you people are understood. Now we move on to energy. So what is meant by energy? So let's see, work done is also over. So work done is also over. Now we move on to energy. So energy. So what is meant by energy? So energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. I want to do the work. What do you want? You want energy. The capacity to do work. To do work. To do work is called as energy. So the capacity to do work is called what here? Energy. So energy basically three types. So potential energy. Potential energy. So potential energy. Second one is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Third one is mechanical energy. So mechanical energy or total energy. So keep in mind, guys. So energy I am telling in a basic manner. So we are learning physics in 24 hours. So this is not sufficient for you people. So first you understand the physics, then you go for the depth. Once you do, we don't understand the physics, it is not impossible to go to the depth. So that is my worrying point here. So what I am telling people, we learn the basics in 24 hours. The match will be created in physics. I hope people understand. Let's see what is meant by potential energy. So what is meant by potential energy? So potential energy. So let us say general potential energy indicated with U. Capital U is the potential energy. So let's say, guys, here suppose I take I throw here what do you call it? So one object is there on the staircase. So let us say block of mass M. So let us say its height. So what is this? So when object is there in H and the object mass is M, when the which is there, always it is act downward on force. One force is acting downward. That force is called gravitational force. So gravitational force. Simple, it is called G. Keep in mind, guys. So gravitational force. So in this time, the acceleration A become plus G. Why? Because it is showing downward. So that is the acceleration become plus G. So what is meant by potential energy? U is equal. We know F into S is the basic formula. F means M-A-S. So M into A become what, guys? Here acceleration due to gravity. That is gravitational force. Mg into what is the S become? S become H. So H. So what is the potential energy formula? mgh. Very simple formula. mgh. So let's see one example you understand. So I have a 2 kg block which is there in the 2 meters height. So what is the potential energy? Yeah, simple, very simple. So what is this one? Mass is how much? 2 kg. What is the gravity? Let's say 10. H is equal to how much? 210, 20, 22, 40. 40 those. These answers very simple. Very simple, you are penetrating. So I hope people are understood. So dimension formula is quite same for work done and energy. Keep in mind. Also work done and energy. Keep in mind, guys. So energy is a scalar quantity and work done is also a scalar quantity. So keep in mind that. So work done and energies are scalar quantities only. So there is no change here. So So both are scalar quantities only. Now we move on to the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy. So kinetic energy. So just now we learned when we are getting the kinetic energy, when getting a potential energy, the object which is there in certain height, then you get a potential energy. Now we are there in the kinetic energy. The object is motion. Generally, object is motion. Let's say there is a block of mass m is having a velocity of u, and same block which is moving with the velocity v and you got the final velocity is m. So now what will happen? Let's say k is equal to, so what is the formula? MAS. So MAS means, so generally what is the work done? Work done is F into S. What is the work done? F means what? MAS. So I have a M and A, M and same M we have a different velocities. So we have a time t is time t. So then what is the acceleration value? So what is the formula? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So I want AS. AS is equal to V square minus U square by 2. So keep in mind. So from kinematic equations, any people didn't know this one, go to video number 4. Video number 4, fourth video we have to see guys in physics in 24-hour playlist. I hope you understood. So we substitute this one. So K is equal to MAS. So AS in place of AS, V square minus U square by 2, that is equal to half M V square minus U square. So suddenly sometimes U become 0. So what will happen now? What is the formula now? Half M V square. So this is very important. So what is the Ke formula finally? So the formula for K is equal to half M V square. So that is the formula for Ke. So finally, what is mechanical energy? So mechanical energy is nothing but PE plus KE. This is mechanical energy or total energy. So what is PE? mgh. What is KE? Half mg. So I hope you understood. So that is, one is force, second one is momentum, third one is energy, fourth one is work done. So I hope people are understood. So today this is the class for you people. So I hope you understood. Please subscribe my channel, the physics day. So strong in physics, be smart in physics. Thank you people.